Do you want to know what makes a number special? Wait, I'll tell you. Okay. So today we're going to be looking at prime numbers. What are prime numbers? A prime number is a number greater than 1 and has only two factors, 1 and itself. Why? Now I'll explain. Why we say it has only two factors, 1 and itself, is because prime numbers can only be divided by 1 and itself. For example, we have 7. 7 divided by 1 will give us 7, and 7 divided by 7 will give us 1. Now, if you divide 7 by 2, you get a fraction. You divide it by 3, it's still a fraction, not a whole number. That is why prime numbers can only be divided by themselves to give you whole numbers. Okay, numbers that are not prime. Example, we have 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Because why? They can be divided by many numbers, not only themselves and 1. But prime numbers are only numbers that can divide themselves and 1 can divide them. So another fact you should know is that 2 is the only even prime numbers. Other prime numbers are mostly odd, but 2 is the only even prime number because 2 can only be divided by itself, giving us 1, and by 1, giving us 2. So just take prime numbers like introverts. They can only associate with 1 and themselves. They like being on their own. That's it. If you see them that way, you won't forget prime numbers. That is all for today on prime numbers. I want you to list prime numbers which are greater than 11. I want you to list it in the comment section, and don't forget to follow me. Bye.